Welcome back to Bocce's Corner in Bocce's Kitchen, my kitchen. I just finished my dinner prep for the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge for this coming week. So let's move on to my lunch prep. Let's do it. So my lunch prep isn't going to be too much to write home about, but I'm going to use what I have, which isn't much. I still have this rotisserie chicken that I took out last week from the freezer, and it's still good. I tried some. It's still good, but I'm pushing it after tomorrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this, or I'm going to try and use all of this in just a regular salad. But I don't have much to work with. I do still have my head of lettuce. Remember, I bought 2 heads from Aldi approximately 3 weeks ago. It was right before the pantry challenge. Everything looked sad. All the produce looked sad, what produce they did have, and I scrounged through the heads and bought 2 heads. And surprisingly to me, this head is still decent. So I'm gonna use this with my chicken. I've got some onions here. I'll add onions and whatever else I can find in my freezer or pantry that I can add to my salad just to make it a true salad other than lettuce and chicken. So let's get to it. I got everything ready here. Open this up. I brought out my little crisper container in case I have any lettuce left over. I'm gonna use this container because I have to go into the office this week. So this will be my salad that I bring for lunch to the office. It's like one of my favorite containers. It holds quite a bit. So this is what I'm gonna use. In the meantime, let me get this ready for washing and spinning. Okay, so the lettuce is done, taken care of. So I've got these 2 containers. I'm going to use this little board to cut up some onion. I think I'm going to use the red. I have a quarter here. I do have some deli sliced jalapenos. Let's see. Maybe I'll use some of these. I'm using my little olive spoon. So what do I have here? I've got one there. I happen to have some walnuts. I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to put the walnuts in one. And I have pumpkin seeds. So I will put the pumpkin seeds in the other. And some in this one too. Why not? So I'm going to clean up a little bit and I'll be right back. I just remembered that I have bacon crumbles that I found in my downstairs freezer. These are fully cooked. So I'm just going to sprinkle some in my salad for added protein. Well, now I don't even need this tray. This tray comes in handy when I do my Big Mac salads because then I can put everything on here that I don't want mixed in with my lettuce. But because this is just an ordinary little salad, I'm not going to bother with this. So I'm going to take this one into the office. And this one will be for here. And now my salad dressing that I'm going to use, it's going to be the guacamole ranch from Aldi's. And this gives me 2 tablespoons. It says 30 mil. So oh, 33. I went over. That's okay. I'm almost thinking 30 is not going to be good. Let me see. What are the calories? Calories are 90. I'll leave it at the 30. Or 35, whatever that was. Okay, 32 with that drop. What I want to do is thin this out a little bit just to stretch it. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of water into each. And that should thin it out, but yet give nice coverage for my salad without drenching it in a thick dressing. Let me see how this is. I love these little rubber, I don't know what they are. There's a whole set of all different sizes, like of, what do you call this? Spatula? No. Whatever. You call it a doohickey or a thingy, since I don't know the name of it. So it's a doohickey or a thingy. There. That looks like a decent amount of dressing. I am also thinking, I brought canned up oranges, those little mandarin oranges or cuties or whatever they are. I canned these up last February because they were a good price. So I snatched those up and I canned them up. So I am going to have these like for snacks. So yeah, so these are my 2 lunch preps, maybe Wednesday and Thursday or Tuesday and Wednesday. So once again, thank you for joining me in Bocce's Corner, Bocce's Kitchen, my kitchen, for my 3 Rivers Pantry Challenge lunch prep for this upcoming week. Like I said, it's not much, but it is still something, and I'll have something healthy should I get hungry for lunch. So I hope to see you soon.